Find the value of the remaining variable given that I equals PRT and I equals 540, P equals 3000, and R equals 0.06. Okay, so we don't really need to know this, right? But this is actually the interest formula. So I stands for interest, P stands for principal, R is the rate, and T is time. So I equals PRT. Notice that there are four variables in this equation, and in the statement, right, we are given three of these values, right? So if there's four variables in the formula, we are given three of them, so we should be able to find the remaining, right? So in this case, we want to find the value of T. Okay, so let's just go ahead then and just plug these values in, right? So 540 equals, now on the right side, right, I'm going to put all these numbers in parentheses, right? So, I just don't want to write the numbers right next to each other. So the principal is 3000 times the rate, which is 0.06, times the time, which is just T. Okay, so that tells us that we should multiply these together. Okay, so let's do that first. Okay, let's multiply these guys together. Okay, so 3000 times 0.06 is 180. So that's 180 times T on the right side. So then what's the last step here? How are we going to solve for T? Right, in this case, we should use the multiplication property of equality, right? Well, in this case, dividing, right? Remember, multiplication and division are the same, pretty much the same thing. So here we want to divide both sides by 180. Okay, so when we divide both sides by 180, that cancels out on the right, so that just leaves us with T, which is good, right? So what does T equal then? T equals 540 divided by 180, which is equal to 3. Okay, so in the interest formula here, that would be the time. So in this case, T is equal to 3.